Alright, so in the last video we talked about we made this program here. We didn't write the code. We wrote the code, we didn't implement it and compile it and run it and test it, but we wrote the framework for the code here. So we did not talk about get last time, and we didn't talk about cin. Well, because we only really did output. So let's finish the job and talk about output. Input. All right, how do we get something? All right, and how will we create a little program that could get something? All right, so we're going to modify this code just a little bit. All right, and to do that, I'm just going to do this on a new sheet. All right, so here is our. We're going to start with our flow chart. Again, we use an oval to represent start and stop. So we got our start right here, and this time, before we display something, we're going to get input. So we're going to say we want to get, alright, get, and we want to say we're going to get a variable called name. We want to get something and put it in a variable called name. Get name. Alright, that's going to be the name of our variable, name. And now we want to display something to the screen, and so now we want to display hello name. So we want to put hello plus our name, and maybe we'll say there's a space here. Okay, hello name. All right. So now our program works a little different. It doesn't just say hello to the whole world. We can say hello to a specific person if we want to. And then we have our end. Alright. So in order to do this operation right here, right, we have to also say how we do that in our pseudocode. And so we're going to write that just like we did there inside our box, get name. Alright. That's how we would write that in our language. So we're going to write that in pseudocode here, pseudocode. Alright, so first thing we want to do is start. Line 1, start. We're going to write the complete pseudocode here. Start 2. We're going to get name. 3. We're going to put hello, and then also we're going to put name. Alright, pseudocode. Now line 4 we're going to end or stop. We're going to say stop. Start and stop. Alright, now in code, we're going to say C++ code, because there's plenty of ways to write code. In code, we're going to say we have to do our beginning and end. I'm going to draw a box. I like to draw boxes for my code, so I know this is actual code. Pound, include. This was line paper, of course I wouldn't even do that. IO stream. And so I'm going to include this time using namespace std. I need that. I don't need it, but it's useful. Helps me cut down on what I write. And then I do my int main. Open close parentheses. Open brace. I know C style is the start over here, but I still kind of I like Java style. It doesn't matter. And so we do what do we do here? Let's follow our code. So we start. Now we're at our start. This is the start part. All of this is now gets us to our start. Now we want to get the name. So to get something, remember, we didn't write that. To get something, we have to write C in, and then we use greater than symbols like that, and then we do name, right? Something like that. So that's what we're gonna do here. So we didn't prompt our user, so we're not gonna add it to our code. We can modify our map cn name, and we're going to see out. Now we say hello. And we're going to we have to do another set of these. We can't do plus sign in C++. We got to do another set of those, and then we're going to see out our name, and then our semicolon. And now we're here at our fourth instruction is to stop. So to stop, I got to say return 0. That tells the program they jump out of main function. We're done. And to follow the syntax, we need a close and brace. And now we've stopped our program. That's the end of our program. And so now we're done with our second program. There's an error in this code. I'll let you figure out what that is.